In the chocolate factory, a mold may undergo high temperature drying, hot water degreasing, acid and alkali cleaning every day. It also faces grease, high humidity, and frequent turnover. Traditional barcodes and paper labels are prone to falling off, blurring, or even failing. Once the mold identity is lost, allergens are mixed, cleaning is missed, and production traceability is broken, etc. This will directly affect food safety. In response to this scenario, J-Rooming launched the G2HM30 industrial-grade high-frequency RFID reader. With high temperature and metal labels, realize the whole process, digital management of chocolate molds and turnover containers. After the new mold enters the factory, the system automatically writes unique identity information, create a one-module, one-code electronic file before going into production. G20HM30 automatic calibration of mold status and allergen level. Abnormal alarm immediately. Prevent misuse. In the process of pouring, cooling, demolding, etc., the system automatically records each process flow. Realize single mold and whole process traceability. After cleaning and disinfection are completed, the reader automatically confirms the status of the mold. Molds that have not been cleaned according to specifications cannot be put online again. At the same time, the system can also automatically count the number of uses, cleaning times, and maintenance records. Detect mold aging and mirror damage in advance. Reduce quality risks. From production cleaning to maintenance scrapping, RFID is helping chocolate companies establish safer, more efficient, and more traceable smart production systems. The value of RFID is not just automatic identification. It is an important foundation for the digital management of food safety.